what's up? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, coming at you from the Wicked Awesome Grow Room. I gotta say, as much as I am loving having this space to grow and to start seeds and get everything going, I can't wait to not be coming at you from this wonderful grow room. I want to be outside. I want to be building my beds. I want to be planting my seeds, and it's just not that time yet. 1 month from today, though, if all goes well and enough of the snow disappears, I can go out there and build the beds. I can get the soil in, because my mother's rule, plant peas on St. Patrick's Day, garlic on Columbus Day. That won't happen this year. The garlic is going in when the peas go in, but we'll get to that. So until that day comes, I'm going to have to content myself with planting my cold weather crops, broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Now, I know Brussels sprouts are not everyone's favorite, but I grew up eating them. I love them. Even just plain and steamed, I think they're great, but also with some butter and salt, or you can saute them, roast them, saute them with bacon. Mwah! Delicious. All right, let's get these in some dirt. So I am growing these both for my own personal use and for my seedling sale. I'm not going to grow very many Brussels sprouts because I don't think a lot of people are going to grab them. So I'm going to put them in 6-cell trays. Just 1 6-cell for me, 1 6-cell for a sale, and then I'll take these out and actually pot them up into their own pots. The broccoli, however, is going to go in the 6 cells and it's going to stay there. And I'm going to just make a quick little depression in each one of these. And I'm going to put 2 seeds in each hole. There we go. That should be enough for now. So 2 seeds in each. I never did have much luck growing broccoli in pots last year. It just never really took off. But the year before that, I got a nice harvest. So I'm getting them started nicely now. And as soon as it's warm enough, we'll get them out into the garden. Oh, need a little bit more there. And there we go. I've gone back to using these laminated cardboard markers because those really pretty wood ones that I got actually turned out to start getting moldy as soon as they got wet and in contact with the soil. I don't want that anywhere near the plants, so back to this we go. It may not be as pretty, but it works. So there's broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Ta-da, and ta-da. So I'm just going to quickly cover these over. So these last 4 6-cell trays are going to be reserved for my kale for the seedling sale, at least some of it. It won't be planted for another 2 weeks. So I'll have these 4 here, I'll put another set of 4 6 cells in another tray, and then the other 8 6 cells will be filled with spinach. So as always, the handy dandy spray bottle. Get that soil nice and damp. As usual, I pre-moisten the soil, but it's always nice to get the top. Let it really sink in. As usual, we will put on a plastic dome. And then once they germinate, we'll take the dome away. That way we're not holding any extra moisture in and putting the seedlings at risk of molds or mildews or the dampness of the soil at the surface level, causing them to die from damping off. I am so excited. I can't wait for my first taste of garden-grown broccoli this year. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please click here for more content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to go through this journey with you while we grow something wicked awesome from yard to table.